Hello and welcome to our second math lesson for this week. Today we're going to be doing a subtraction review. You might be thinking, Mr. Ivan, that's easy, second grade stuff, first grade stuff. Well, good. Let's jump into it then. Let's start with the basic one. If I have 7 subtract 4, what do you get? Very good. You can do it out on your fingers easily. 7 take away 4 gets you 3. Hey, here's another way to look at the same problem. 7 take away 4. You notice what I had to do is I had to line it up together. And that helps me line up my answer as well. 7 take away 4 gets me 3. 3 is my answer. All right, now that you've got that under your belt, let's make it a little harder. What if I have 62 subtract 9? Now, before you reach for the calculator app, you can do this just as easily as you did the other one. What are we going to do, though? We're going to rewrite it. 62 take away 9. All right, now let's go ahead and make sure that we're lining it up properly. I got my blue line. Uh-oh, there's all this empty space here. Can't have that. I need to actually line it up together. 62 take away 9. Okay, now that I have it lined up on the blue line, which is my ones place, I say 2 subtract 9. And you might look at that and say, oh, that's easy, that's 7, right? Nope, that's 9 subtract 2. Uh-oh, I better go back. Well, 9 is bigger than 2, so I can't take away. I have to borrow. Where do I borrow from? Well, I'm going to borrow from the tens place. Okay, I cross off 6. I'm going to borrow 1 from the 6 and stick it up here. Well, if I borrow 1 from a 6, what's 6 take away 1? Very good, that's 5. All right. Now, this isn't 1 plus 2 like what we did yesterday with addition. It's actually going to be read as 12. So what's 12 take away 9? Very good, that gets you 3. And now I have 5 take away nothing. Well, how do we represent nothing? With a 0. What's 5 subtract 0? Very good, it's 5. So my answer gets me 53. All right, guys, let's do one more example, this time a little bit harder. We're going to take 6,737, subtract 999. Okay, the first thing I need to do is make sure that I have it lined up. So do I have it lined up? Very good, I do have it lined up. To help us understand it a little bit better today, I'm going to switch a little color. Well, what's 7 take away 9? You might look at that and say, oh, that's easy, that's 2. Nope, that's what 9 subtract 7 is. I need to do 7 subtract 9. Well, 9 is bigger than 7, so again, I'm going to borrow. Where do I borrow from? The number right in front of it, the 3. I'm going to borrow 1 from that 3. Stick it there. Well, what's 3 take away 1? Very good, it's 2. I now have a 2 in this column. And I don't read this one here as 7 plus 1 because that's still too small. I read it as 17. So what's 17 take away 9? Very good. That's going to get you 8. All right. Now, let's switch colors again. 2 take away 9. Is that going to be 7? No, we already know that. We need to borrow. We borrow from the 7. We put the 1 here. Well, what is 7 take away 1? Very good, it's 6. Now I read this as 12. What's 12 take away 9? Very good. That's going to give me 3. All right, now I go to the next column. 6 take away 9? I can't do that. I need to borrow again. I borrow from the 6. I borrow 1. This now becomes 16. What's 1 take away 6? Well, that gets me 5. What's 16 take away 9? Very good. That gets me 7. And I have nothing in the thousands column here. So what's 5 take away nothing? Very good. It's 5. Now before I'm done, I'm going to go ahead and bring down my comma and read off my answer like what we learned last week. How would I read this? 5,738. Very good.